Hey, does this floor sound messed up to you? I walked in here and it's got a weird creak.
Yeah, dude, that's weird.
Gosh, it sounds so incredibly strange. I don't.
Yeah, that's really weird, actually.
I know this old house. You'd think you'd have to.
Dude, it almost sounds like a cat is meowing.
Gosh, this place must be really old.
Or haunted with millions of dead cats. Maybe they use them to paint the walls. You're right, they're green. Stop walking in the kitchen already, alright?
But I can't help it.
It does sound really weird. Do it one more time. Wow!
It's just incredibly strange. I can't believe that. Yep, we're gonna have to tack that down.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to call someone to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get that fixed for sure.